Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the videopreneur, and we're at Bill Thomas Camper, Wentzville, Missouri. There's a link below for new, used, and service and parts. This is a 2024 Grand Design Imagine, and we're looking at a 22RBE. Nice floor plan, single slide, tandem axle. I do want to show you the docking station, and then we'll get inside. Outside, there's really not a heck of a lot of sexy stuff to show you. I did want to show you the docking station just because I've gotten responses from folks and they want me to show that. Pass-through storage here over to the docking station. Single slide. The spare is underneath. We have a ladder to the rooftop. There you can see the LED strip lighting that's new for 2024. We have motion sensor light just inside the door. And the bedroom is right inside on the right. Here is your power panel. So let's get into the meat of it. So we have the kitchen right here. We have a flat screen TV, 6 drawers. Let me show you how deep the drawers are. Nice sized drawers, and there's 6 of them. We also have a nice deep stainless steel sink, 3-burner cooktop, and a nice size oven. We have a microwave oven. The cabinets aren't real deep here, but plenty of cabinet space, refrigerator and freezer, and I'll open those up to show you. And then the freezer here is on top. Flat screen TV, and then nice cabinets here if you have video games or DVDs or whatever you might have. I do want to show you this couch, very nice couch, and then this folds down as a center armrest and flips right up. Very, very nice. And then naturally, as you can see, we don't have a dining area in this unit, so you dine on the couch. Let me show you the bathroom, then we'll get to the bedroom. So we have a double medicine cabinet above the sink, stainless steel bowl, very large cabinet below, nice size drawer. This window is functioning, so it does allow you to exhaust the heat. And then very deep medicine cabinet, I don't know, maybe 10-12 inches deep, probably 10 inches deep. Then as I turn around, you have these cubbies on the left side of the shower, great for rolled up towels. And then a very nice shower enclosure and spring-loaded door. So let's head into the bedroom. And this is the single slide as I showed you from the outside. So we have the single slide here. And then we have the bedroom. So we have accent lighting on the right. I turned them on just to show you. Accent lighting on the right, and then task lighting on the left. So if you read in bed, you can move those around. Very, very convenient. You have deep cabinets above, hang-up clothes on left and right, 2 drawers on both sides. The cubby has residential style plugs as well as USB on both sides. And let me lift up the bed to show you the under bed storage. And I really like that it slides back and forth. And then your dining table is right below. So you set that up, and that allows you to use that as your dining table or your dinette when you're eating. And remember, that's at the couch. And then if you decide to put a TV in your bedroom, that's where you plug it in. So very nice size, nice, clean, neat, organized, very roomy for the size. Grand design. Thanks again for watching. Leave a comment, question below, and I'll catch you on the next video. And again, this is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. And there is a link below for their inventory. Thank you again.